I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
Oh shit! Oh my god, that's shooting! Fucking damn it! God damn! I'm hit! Ow! What the hell is that?
I'm running out, don't shoot!
Fuck! I'm out! Ah, fuck! Ow!
Danny's out! No, Danny's out!
Damn it, my gun isn't working! Give me your gun, Danny!
Why do I get shot? Joey's sneaking up! He's about to round the corner!
Dead men can't speak.
Look at Trevor coming behind you!
I can't shoot anyone!
He's coming up! He's coming up! He's right there!
Surrender! 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 I give up! I give up!
Game over!
Surrender! I give up! Surrender! I give up!
Winner.
Alright, what is this? How many people are
5 minutes.
Yeah, what is this?
Correct, Joey John.
I just said correct.
Is that
It's a forearm.
You
just looked up like what?
I'm gonna stand here.
Stop it!
You're gonna have another nail
Go
fall.
on.
Wait till the... Hold up.
We're gonna go in.
Asian Rumble. Go, Trevor, don't shoot, don't shoot.
I just nailed.
Yeah, I know.
I just hit Joey.
Where'd it go?
Hey, smoke on.
Shit.
That's not a smoke. Oh. Right on TV.
Where are you?
Get the smoke and throw it. Get the
Oh my
smoke.
god!
Ah!
Die! I'm like suffocating.
Oh. Oh, fuck! That lit the leaves on fire. No, it lit the leaves on fire.
Joking!
Oh. That was a big waste.
Yeah, it was.
Did you see that?
What?
Shooting at me? No. You guys are pinned. You guys gotta get back.
Around the thing, you better follow.
Oh, around the house?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'll come with you.
White. Well, it's better than wearing white.
Go far in the woods.
Where's Danny?
He's dead. No, I don't know. You okay, Trevor?
The cable caught me in the foot like, whoop.
No, it's
I never thought I'd make a noise like that.
That's your pistol?
Yeah.
From the Beretta.
Very nice.
Alright, I'll go this way. What's going on?
Yeah, you see like the bushes there?
Are they in the ferns?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's fine. It doesn't matter. Here, you guys should get like along the wall. Or like, see where Joey is? Like somewhere there. Or like right there. Oh, that.
Get up and go to that door.
Get up, stand up, man. Khaki. Yeah.
You know the gun was with it?
Wait, where are they?
Danny and Ace. Yo, can you guys like get Danny?
Yeah, we're trying.
Could you see their like white clothes?
I'm gonna sell Will.
Oh.
I'm gonna get one. What? Yo, John, just straight.
Yeah, they're over.
Trevor, where are you?
Yeah. Aren't these friends awesome?
What?
Brick.
Will, just try not to make like too much of a big pet. Just try not to destroy them. It's okay.
Oh, I just shot Freddy. Get down.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, he has no idea where we are though.
I know.
What?
It's okay. Going back.